Okay, guys, so I have sectioned my hair into two up here, like this, and then I did a part that was like not connected to this one because I didn't want a big, a long part going down the middle of my head. So I did that, and then I did the back into two sections. I don't know if it's, I don't know. I don't know if it's straight back there or not, but I'm about to take my shiner jam and my comb and just section my hair off with these rubber bands. And I know y'all don't want to see me do that, so I'm gonna get back on camera and show y'all when I'm done rubber banding my whole head. Pray for me, please. Please, pray for me. But I'm just gonna do like medium sections, so I won't be here all day. Because Lord knows, I'm not trying to be here all day. And this metal tooth comb or whatever, it really helps you get a straight part. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all, when I'm done rubber banding my whole head. I already did the LCO method on my hair and detangled, so it shouldn't take me that long to put my hair in some rubber bands. But I'm gonna just show y'all this first row while we here. Slip that into two. Yeah, slip that into two. I brought a clip so I can just clip, hair out the way and apply. And what I do with my rubber bands is just put it into two. And then 1, 2, 3. I do it about 4 times. And I push it up on my root. And there you have it. Just that easy. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna have about 3 more to do. You're gonna get the super stretch rubber bands. These rubber bands work the best for me. Get your shiny gem and a clip to clip the rest of the hair out of the way. And my parts, let's just be very clear, are not straight or not perfect at all. I don't aim to be perfect, especially when I'm doing my own hair. So yeah, you just put the shiny gem all along your hair. You could just really put it on the ends and grab about 3 pieces. Sometimes I grab 2 pieces, sometimes I grab 3, depending on how thick the section is. Then I'm going to line them up to make sure they are all, the same. And then I will run my fingers through the hair like so to make it, frizzy, a little texture. Because you don't want the hair to stay silky and, perfectly curled like it is. You can see the difference. You want it to be fluffed out. And so I just run my hands through the hair a couple of times. I forgot to do the other side. Do both sides. Alright, and then you're going to place the hair over the rubber band so you can't see it. Twist that, and then start, braiding down like normal. I braid down about 10 times just to make sure, the twist does not come out because this hair is very silky. And then when your hair gets in the middle, you split that into 2, and that's when you start to twist. And you want to twist as you twist. You see how I'm twisting the hair as I twist and add product so your hair blends in and doesn't, stick out. And you just twist while you're twisting. Hope you can see that. Twist while you twist, twist while you twist. Okay. And then when you get past your real hair, you can just twist normal. Also make sure the hair is fluffed out. And as you do it, you'll get quicker and quicker at twisting. This hair was 12 inches, so it really didn't take me that long. Because sometimes spring twist hair is very, very, very long, and it takes you forever to twist down. But this hair was only 12 inches, so it did not take me long at all. Then when you get to the end, you want to twirl it around your finger in a coil motion, and you see how the end is kind of like raggedy from you like stretching the hair out. Just grab some scissors and cut. Simple and easy. You got a juicy twist. This hairstyle is super easy. So I'm gonna continue doing this on the 2 that I have left. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let me know if you tried this style out, because it's super easy. So again, I'll explain one more time. Put the shine and jam along your hair, especially your ends, because that's what tends to, come out. And you're gonna fluff the hair. Just run your hand down the shaft of the hair. I'll do that about like 4 or 5 times until I feel like it's puffy enough. Then I'm going to place it on top of the rubber band and start braiding as usual. I braid down about 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when your hair gets in the middle, you split your hair into 2 and you just start twisting. Like you're doing a Senegalese twist. Twist your hair and then twist it. Twist both pieces and then put it over the other one. It's kind of hard to explain, so I hope you can see like how I'm doing it in the video. And then when you get past your, real hair, that's when you can start twisting normally. And you also want to be applying your shine and jam, as you go, especially when you get to your ends. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe.